What's up, day mixers? Welcome back to my channel. It's Han here. Now, I gotta say, it's not every day I am this excited. I was able to get my hands on this awesome looking techwear, streetwear, ninjawear. Yes, it has many names, but the official name that I know is BYBB'S Dark Patchwork Pockets Cargo Pants. So for today, we have an unboxing video. Woo! So, let's cut straight to the unboxing. You know, when you have a clothing label with this type of quality, you know you got some good stuff going on. It has 8 pockets in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you look here behind the teal and red colored Chinese characters, you see some graphics of a person. Not quite sure whether there's a symbolic meaning behind it. And on the left side there are some Chinese and Japanese characters. And here is the official symbol number 1. Now let's have a look inside. I'm probably the only YouTuber that does this. Taking the pants inside out. Let's see what's hiding inside. It definitely doesn't feel like cheap material. And the inside feels much smoother than the outside. You know, buying clothing online is so risky because you can never touch the product and therefore you don't have confidence. If the price is cheap, you wonder if the quality is any good, and if the price is high, is that justifiable? And even after that, once you purchase it, if it doesn't suit you, it just sits in the closet eating dust. So there's all these thoughts going in your head when you purchase clothing online. It's stressful. But have no fear, let me do the verification for you. Bam! And the 2 straps over here. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, what a genius design. I'll talk about this later in the video. After touching the fabric and the way it's pieced together, to me it's definitely worth the 35 USD price point. There are times in my previous unboxing where I got clothing for less than $20, and immediately when you touch that fabric, you're just like, huh? Yeah, so hey, I'm happy with this purchase. These particular pants come in 2 different colors. I got the dark blue one. There's also the army green color one. One thing to be aware of is this particular color here. This color over here. In some of the pictures, it looks as if it's white color. It's actually not. This is more like a light skin tone color. So just take note of that before you buy. The good thing about these particular type of pants is it's designed stretchy around the waist area, so you definitely have a bit of leeway there. Okay, we're gonna go try them on. But just before that, if you're looking to buy a dope hoodie like this, please check out my dope hoodie review. I've added a link in the description below. Also in the description below, I've added 2 links of where you can purchase these pants. One link has an asterisk beside it. The reason I added that is because I know that particular seller actually checks his items before sending it to the buyer. So just a bit of background, some AliExpress buyers don't check their items. So what that means is some stores send items from the factory straight to the buyer. There's no middle guy checking the item, whether it's good, whether there's a bit of scratch, stuff like that. So for me, having that extra check in the middle brings in more assurance in my purchase. After trying them on, it definitely feels comfortable, and obviously these are baggy style pants, but for my loyal subscribers, you know that I prefer well fitted pants rather than baggy. However, with these 2 straps, it changes everything. So what I've noticed for those extra style points, first you need to wear long socks and then pull your pants up from here and then tighten it with these straps and boom! Instantly new dope look. However, with these type of straps, I'm not sure how long they will hold up. Meaning if you were running and your calf muscles were contracting and detracting, you know, pumping and unpumping. Therefore, this type of movement affects the tightness of the straps and would cause it to fall back to its original position. But in honesty, I think if you are just walking, it should be fine. Also, I've noticed for this particular type of material, unfortunately, it catches lint and dust, you know, those type of things. But it's not a deal breaker for me. Another thing that I couldn't understand was having so many pockets, one could expect some sort of fastener, you know, so the pockets are secure and keep things in them. But look at it, there's nothing here. If I was sitting down or leaning on the ground to try and capture a particular shot, things are likely to fall out. So it's very likely that I'm gonna go down to my local clothing alteration store to get some Velcro slapped on. Let's do a quick comparison, because whenever you buy clothing online, there's always this misconception where the photo itself looks dope, but once you get it, there's a big drop in expectation. In this case, I didn't get any type of those feelings. It was what I expected, the quality was spot on, it was pieced together nicely, and in terms of price, I didn't feel like I was overpaying. I was happy with this purchase, and I'm looking to do more reviews like this. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this review as well. Also, I want to say thank you so much for watching till the very end of this video. You guys are awesome. For my loyal subscribers, you know that originally I started this YouTube channel because I wanted to be a travel vlogger. But looking at the current situation, it's a bit difficult. However, in New Zealand, things are kind of getting much better. So, although I can't travel overseas as much, or at least in the short term I won't be, I'm gonna plan to travel locally. So in this channel, in between my unboxing videos, I'll be uploading freestyle, unscripted travel vlogs. 简单来说，我会拍一些5分钟的走走看看没有剧本的旅游影片，希望大家会喜欢。Until then, day mixer out!